Welcome to my Plastifloor training video. Today we will treat this nice small area with the Plastifloor fast curing floor coating system. You see the 2 to 3 millimeter thick epoxy coating didn't last very long, it failed, and this guy needs a reconstruction in a very short time. So the Plastifloor fast curing flooring system is the ideal solution to treat this area in just one day. Okay, mixing the primer and adding 500 milliliters of hardener. And then mix the primer at least for 1 minute. You see the color is changing, and you should be careful that all the hardener is mixed or resolved into the primer completely. So mix it for a minute. Okay, spread out the primer and first paint the edges with a brush, and then use a thick roller to spread out the primer at 500 milliliters or 500 grams a square meter. And you see there must be a film of resin. If the primer is too thin, it's not curing. It needs body. And then give it a light broadcast with quartz 0.6 up to 1.2 millimeters. That's it. To make sure that the resin is curing good, give it a little airflow. "30 minutes later, the primer is hard completely. You see it's matte, and you cannot remove the sand. This is a good sign that it's cured completely. And over this joint we put a polyester fabric. Completely hard 30 minutes after applying. We can go ahead with the membrane 332 mixed 1-to-1 with SL filler, and then a light broadcast with quartz. Okay, now we are mixing the membrane. This is Plastifloor 332. We are mixing 8 liters of 332 resin together with 250 milliliters of Plastifloor hardener 50W. Then mix it for 30 seconds till the hardener is completely dissolved into the resin. Okay, now we put the SL filler into the bucket with the 332 resin and mix it for another minute. Spreading out the 332 membrane resin on top of the cured primer. Applying the membrane with just a Swedish shovel, and then after applying, we give it a light broadcast with quartz to get some grip to the next layer. Okay, 1 hour later, the Plastifloor 332 membrane is already cured. You see, it's a little sticky on the top, but there's no problem. We will broom the sand excess away, and then we can install the 418 base coat, self-leveling, and give it a full broadcast with color quartz. This guy wants to have a solid color on the top. But anyway, we broadcast it with color quartz because this will give us a better surface, and then two colored seal coats on top. Now we have the 418 base coat resin, 8-liter mix together with 250 milliliters of hardener 50W. Mixing for a minute till the hardener is completely dissolved. Okay, after a minute we put 8 liters, so that's around about 12 kJ of Plastifloor SL filler into the liquid resin and mix it for another 1-2 minutes. Spreading the 418 SL base coat completely all over the floor on top of the 332 membrane. Okay, now we are spreading out the 418 with these notch trouble. It's good self-leveling, and we spike it with the spike roller. Spiking is important to level the floor and to get the air out of the material. And you see there's already the sand in. Okay, so 15-20 minutes later, the floor is down and already broadcasted. Now we have to wait half an hour till it's completely cured. Okay, 45 minutes later, the floor is already hard, and we can start brooming the sand away, vac it, and then seal it. When the hardener is in, mix it for another 30 to 45 seconds before you pour it on the floor. We are pouring the sealer on top of the floor coating. Starting with the edges and then roll on the floor completely. And now we are applying the colored sealer on top of the color quartz with a roller 8mm length crosswise. Okay, after 45 minutes the first sealer is already cured and we can put down the second sealer. Same procedure, you just need 300 grams square meter. We're going ahead with the second sealer. It's the same procedure. We will need a little less resin, so approximately 300 grams a square meter. Put in approximately 10% of the pigment paste into the clear top coat and then mix it for a minute, and after that put the hardener in and mix it, and for another minute hardener 1.5% of the acrylic wood, and then roll it down with a 8mm roller. Same procedure like the first two coats. Okay, this is the second sealer, 522 in roll 70-30, and the job is done. And now it's 4:15 p.m. We started at 9, and it takes half an hour to cure, and then you can drive or walk over it. So these resins are used for balconies and terraces, exterior, to treat concrete surface and make it completely waterproof. It's elastic, but also for the interior, like for these butcher's shop, it's used to create a slip resistant and seamless floor. You can use it in shops as well as in private and industrial kitchens. It's hygienic, easy to clean now. We make the Plastifloor resins in our own factory in Falkenstein in Germany, and I take care for you that you will get all the time good products with good quality, made in Germany, shipped directly to your place. We have systems for self-leveling flakes and broadcasted floors that you can apply in many different industries. Check out our websites, plasti-chemie.de. We deliver all over the world, and we have a subsidiary in the US also.